I don't look for trouble, trouble looks for me. 'Cause I've been busting hussy since I was 17. 'Cause I'm a hurricane, I'm a hurricane, I'm a hurricane, and Malky is my fucking name. Night shift. Swear to fuck, man. Been sitting here on a stakeout all night. 24 of these bad boys. Good right few grab a Charlie. And I've done fuck all. Been sitting outside this junkie's house, getting heavy wasted. The cunt's red hot, piping, as a matter of fact, fucking piping. Like fucking seagulls with a loaf of bread do the splash going bananas. So, I've took it in my own hands to sit here and watch a wee bastard making hundreds and hundreds of dough, and I'm like myself, Christmas is just round the corner, you know. So, I've radioed into the station about 2 hours ago to help me on my way home to my nest, and decided to take the law into my own hands, because who's going to believe a fucking junkie, especially one that's right out their fucking barter, giving it, hey ho, excuse me, I've got something to tell you. Some cunt came through my door. I was sitting watching Jeremy Kyle. Now, that's where I come in. Who the fuck, never mind the Polis, is going to believe that a gimp-suited Batman came in, stole their fucking stash, took their dog, and a pump at their bird? Nae cunt, folks, nae cunt. Keep it real. Big Malky's on tour. Have a nice day.